This is hot off the press, guys. Here's some footage of me riding my motorcycle to San Francisco today. I went and saw the Blue Angels, so here's some of a really good footage of the entire show. I'm posting this quickly, relatively quickly. This was shot about 4 hours ago because there's an opportunity to see the Blue Angels again tomorrow at 3 p.m. And so do definitely support our Navy and support our troops. Check it out, guys. It's a great show. I had a blast today. It's bloody awesome. Here's the full footage of the key highlights today. So this is Fleet Week in San Francisco 2015. Every year on October 10th for the weekend, the Navy comes to San Francisco and showcases its capabilities. And the key attraction here is the Blue Angels, which we're going to see right now. We're here in San Francisco, so they're going to fly around here, over the bridge and over the water here, and it's just going to be absolutely spectacular. I've been coming to this event every year, and I'm going to capture it on video this time for the first time and show you what a spectacular event it is. You can see what a turnout we've had here, just a spectacular turnout everyone from San Francisco comes and watches this. You got so many boats here on the water, and kind of this is reminiscent to me in our Boxing Day in Sydney Harbour. When you get all the boats out and there's a big race from Sydney to Hobart, I believe, and this reminds me of Boxing Day in Australia, where that race takes place, and here we got a similar turnout here with all the boats and the yachts coming here in San Francisco Bay to watch Fleet Week and watch the Blue Angels perform. I mean, these are the Navy's best pilots that we're gonna see today, so let's check them out. I think I spot one of the Blue Angels back there in the background. So there it is, right there. I mean, it's hard to see on the camera, but I can spot it right there on the back. Okay, I spot them. There they are, right in the background. Yep, I can spot them. Right now they're over San Rafael. They're gonna come over Tiburon and Marin and over Treasure Island. I can spot them. They're gonna try to make a surprise here. Yep. And so I see that's the main pack, and there's gonna probably be one that's gonna turn up from behind us. I'm not sure. Let's just see what happens. I can see them. I can spot them right there over that hill, over Tiburon, over Marin. They're gonna make a pass over us pretty soon. They're coming. Yep, I can spot them. Right? Showtime, guys. It's showtime. The Blue Angels, there you go. Coming up. Blue Angels Fleet Week, San Francisco 2015. The best of the best. Here they come. The Blue Angels. The Navy pilots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's a squadron of 6 there, a team of 6, so I'm wondering where the other one is. Or it could be just 6 of them together. 4, 5, 6, okay. There you go. Alright, coming up right here. Amazing. I wonder if these jet pilots ride motorcycles. I bet they do, because man, that adrenaline rush they get in their planes, the G-forces. I think they get pretty bored riding riding cars, so I'm pretty sure they have you know, motorcycles in their garages. Come over the restaurant here. Alright, here's, look at this. The 4 coming out right here. Okay, so 4, they were missing 2. 1 has just flew over the this one, these 4 are going over Treasure Island. Just flew over Alcatraz. Okay. Alright, here's the other one coming right over the Golden Gate Bridge. Look at that. Yeah, I think it's going to try to do some supersonic speed here. There we go. Look at that, man. Okay, the other 4 are just going over the Golden Gate Bridge again. Look at this. Okay, the other 4 are coming over the Golden Gate Bridge again. There's going to be some maneuver coming up here. Okay, here they come, here they come. I picked this spot because I wanted to get them flying over the Golden Gate Bridge. It's a pack of 6, a team of 6. Bloody awesome, man. This is bloody awesome. I mean, I look forward to this time every year. Fleet Week, man. When this thing, I come here and watch these guys every year. It's so motivating watching these pilots fly. The best of the best. Okay, here they come, upside down formation. 1 is upside down. Put the wheels out. Sharp turn. Here they come, 4 of them. 2 just took it. Here's 4 of them. Coming over the Golden Gate Bridge again. Flights, landing gear out. Here it comes, right up. What a beautiful day today. I mean, the weather I'm just so surprised. Every year the weather is just phenomenal at this time. Here's another one. I think it's gonna do the over downtown. Here they come. Formation. Team formation. Here it comes, supersonic speed. This is sound bearing speed, sound speed. That was the sound speed, guys. Here they come. Squadron of team of 5. Formation. They're now going up into space. Yeah, they are definitely in space. Bloody amazing, man, bloody amazing. Here they come down, returning from space. Here they come. Number 3. Wow, that was amazing. They just split, flew right past each other. Number 1, so I guess that's the leader. Number 1, like number 2. Number 2. I think that was it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I'm gonna get back to my bike and head back out. The bike. Let's get back on. Let's get back home. Oh, one final pass, guys. There you go. Pack of 6. Pontoon. Yeah, goodbye. That was a formal goodbye. There you go. That was it. That's the way to finish. That is the way to finish this show. Look at that. Yes. Fly back into orbit, fly back into outer space. That's how you make an exit. Great show, great event. Okay, that's it. Yep, they came together as a pack of 6, as a team of 6. They're flying out as a team of 6. There you go, that was the farewell. Fantastic event. I highly recommend this, guys. Come to San Francisco, October 10th weekend every year. Come and watch the Blue Angels Fleet Week and just enjoy the beautiful San Francisco Bay Area. Okay, I guess show wasn't over. They're just doing one final. They've regrouped, all 6 of them. They're sending us the goodbye sign. Well done, man. Beautiful show. Blue Angels, you guys rock, man. I'll see you guys next year. There they go. They're doing one. I think they just flew over the Golden Gate there, wishing us goodbye for this year. Well done. Spectacular.